Hey guys, this is Schlapped, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how to play Madden Mobile on your computer. So, there are a lot of programs you can use for this, but I personally use leapdroid. I'll have the link for it in the description, but you can also use certain programs like BlueStacks. Um, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to set up leapdroid because I know for a fact it works and it works well. So to start it off, you're gonna just search leapdroid or click the link in the description and then you'll see free download. Click that. Um, Sign in with Google. Move this to my other screen. Okay, and then you just close out of what pops up. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You don't have to sign in or anything. It just says sign in with Google. You click it and then you're brought to this. Don't touch any of this. It's just advertisements for other things. What you're focused on is what's down here. So when you get this program, you're going to be able to set a resolution or you can just use the default. Some people want the same resolution as their phone. So if you want that, while this is downloading, I'll show you. You can just go to whatismyscreenresolution.net. I'll have this link in the description as well. Obviously, this isn't for my phone. This is for my computer. You go on this from your phone and it'll tell you your resolution. And then you can, I'll show you where you're going to be able to enter that. So 15 seconds left on the download. The one thing about this is you obviously will be playing with the keyboard and mouse, so I'll show you how to set up WASD for people that use the analog stick, which I'm pretty sure most do. So, alright, so this is done. We're going to click it, run. I'll drag this over, run. And then it's just asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. This over. Everything's popping up on my other screen, so click I agree. If you want to change this, you can. It doesn't really affect it. And then start installation. Alright, so now that the installation is done, it'll pop up automatically. And it'll give you all these apps. You can keep them if you play these games. Otherwise, you can delete them. If you want to delete them, you just hold down and then go up to remove. I'm not going to do all that right now and make you guys watch though. Okay, so for resolution, if you want to change that, you click the gear right here. Then you can change it, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. If that's, you guys can just change that to what your preference is. So to get Madden Mobile, you click the Play Store. You can sign in with your Google account, so I'm going to take this to the other, I'm going to pause and sign in real quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so once you sign in, this will pop up. I don't want to be kept up to date, so I'm going to uncheck. I suggest you guys do too, since it's pretty much just spam. And click this, set up payment info. You can click no thanks. You agree, yep. Make sure this is unchecked if you don't want to get spammed. Accept, and then you're going to look up Madden Mobile. There it is. Install. Accept. Okay, so it shouldn't take too long. Once it's done, you click open. Okay, so then this will pop up. Click update. Then click update again. Accept. This might take longer, but since I've already had the program, it's not taking very long. Then click open. I don't think you have to do anything here, so go back and then you must be connected to internet. Okay. Now the game's opening up. Okay, so then you tap to play just like you normally would. Existing user if you already have an account. And then So I already have my account on here, but if you want to get yours onto your computer, you have to click recover account. And you don't have to worry about this, like you not being able to access it on your phone anymore or anything. If you get the code from your phone and then put it in here, you will be able to play on your phone and your computer still, just not at the same time. So you're going to enter your code in here and then your account will pop up. So I will just go into mine right now. All right. So now that you're in, there are a few things that you're going to want to know. So I'm just going to get into a season game right now so I can show you guys how to set up the controls and all that. All right, so once you're like in the app, you click this keyboard thing right here. Then if you use the analog stick, you can click this and then just click on the screen in the bottom left and then save all. This will allow you to move your character with WASD, so you can see I'm moving JJ Watt. And then swiping up with your mouse, clicking and swiping up with your mouse does the same thing it usually does, so you'll be able to truck and all that with it. Um, Here, we'll do one more play. You can see I'm moving around, and I'll do a power move. Yep, worked. Swipe up. Okay. So now, once you put this on here, let me exit out of this. So you might be on your computer, you'll be playing a few games, and then you might want to use the auction house. The only problem is when you get here and you're trying to search for someone, you won't be able to use W, A, and S and D. So to do that, you're just gonna click the X on this, save it, and now you can type A W S D. So now it works. You're just gonna have to set it up again, which it doesn't take too long. It's not too big of a deal, but yeah, that is pretty annoying to have to set it up. But you're gonna need A for a lot of names if you're searching players. So I think that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and thanks for watching.